Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make these delicious buns. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl, I will be sieving in 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Once that is done, I will go ahead and add in half cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Then mix well to combine. Once I have all the ingredients nicely combined, I will go ahead and break in 2 egg whites and pour into my flour. Add in half cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix to combine. Next, I have 1 cup of water, but I am going to be adding it bit by bit until we get the perfect consistency of our buns. Do not overwork the batter. Cover and leave to rest for 10 minutes at room temperature. I will go ahead and heat up my vegetable oil into my frying pan. After 10 minutes, it is ready to go inside the oil. Mold into small balls and deep fry. The oil should not be too hot. Move around so it cooks all over. Ensure the oil is not too hot. Oh yes, our Nigeria buns is ready. At this point, our buns is ready to be served with any drink of your choice. It tastes so delicious and yummilicious, guys. Give this a try. We have come to the end of today's video. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment to know when I upload a new video. Thank you so much.